The fact check is this. There are two comments which both the gentlemen made, which I want you to reflect on. Mr. Owaisi spoke about the possible rights and privileges of those who are from the backward communities in the Muslim community. And Mr. Ram Madhav spoke about the fact that secularism means that state is equidistant from all religions. Yes. I know what I'm about to say might not endure Mr. Modi to Mr. Owaisi, but the fact in terms of governance in Gujarat is this. Allow me to finish, sir. The fact with regards to governance in Gujarat is this, that we have a Bakshi Panch welfare program which seeks to serve the backward communities in Gujarat, and Muslim communities, Mr. Owaisi, are also included in that. Hence, we have a working, functional example of how a state is equidistant from all religions and seeks to serve those who are backward in our
I should be allowed the Congress in. Randeep Singh Surjewala on the subject here today, and what we'll do is we're going to take a show of hands. So to the audience here at this point, we'll take two questions, couple of questions also. Think about what they are debating about. Ask yourself whether at the end of this debate you are feeling more and more that the communal secular issue and these divides are going to be a permanent feature in Indian politics. Does this debate inspire you to believe that the communal card or the secular card will be a thing of the past? Or does it make you feel it will become even more deeply entrenched in our politics? I'll take a call of hands in about 10 minutes after the Congress representative speaks and there are rebuts to him. Mr. Surjewala, your time starts.
Before you start my time, I just want to interject and say one thing. On the lighter note, I think you should have put me either on that side or this side. You are under too much fire and it's 2:1. So perhaps next time you should rethink.
I've never been under fire, Mr. Surjewala, except from your party.
Can you substantiate that?
Absolutely.
Mr. Surjewala, uses fire against me every night on the news. Okay. Yes, Mr. Surjewala, 2 minutes start.
It's mutual. My time starts now, I hope. What I saw Mr. Ram Madhav, Mr. Owaisi and Ms. Smriti Irani say is what is wrong with the understanding of the concept of India. India lives, germinates, thrives not in conflict, but in cohesion. The very foundation of the Indian Union is pluralist, it is inclusive, it is cohesive, it is cohabitative, it is participative. That is what sets me apart from Pakistan. Pakistan's foundation were based on religion. India's were based on pluralism by the Indian National Congress. Those who fail to understand that people in this country have a right to development, to employment, to equal opportunities, but also to profess and practice different religion and respect my God as also his God, as also her God. That independence is under threat from many parties, both majority and minority, which are threatening the very fabric of India's ethos and the idea of India. And those who are young in India, those who are young Indians, and why young Indians? Every Indian needs to know, ask the relevant question from all political parties, and that is what Indian National Congress represents. Development, yes. Employment, yes. Opportunities, yes. But right to practice and believe in different gods, also yes. Because that is what the idea of India is. Those who are trying to impose their idea, like Mr. Ram Madhav just said, that everybody has to be a Hindu to thrive in this country, my party does not subscribe to that. And I will just interject and say one more line, and that is this, that India will go into 21st century and will become a world superpower, not on the division of religion, not on the division of regions or communities, but on the cohesive, cohabitative, and the unifying approach to India that Indian National Congress represents.
Mr. Surjewala, we are getting two questions in. I'm not asking a question yet. Though I must say that I will be a few minutes away from active participation on this debate. I was thinking as you were speaking, you used the word cohesion 5 times in your introductory comments. Now, when your Minority Affairs Minister says that the Indian Mujahideen, in his view, does not exist, What kind of cohesion is that?
I thought you were not asking a question.
But actually, I desist.
I'll ask you.
Counters.
No,
that's the observation.
I'm sorry. I'll answer that. That was right
you
away.
don't have to.
Let
You
me
don't
answer
have to.
that.
But you can.
Let me answer that. The fringe elements in Indian polity, whether it is Indian Mujahideen or whether it is the fringe elements of Vishwa Hindu Parishad or fringe elements of RSS, both need to be purged from Indian polity, and that is the only way forward.
I'm sure the minister was not pandering to anyone's
Minister a fringe element. Mr. Rahman Khan is a fringe element.
Well,
and let me just remind you,
let
Mr.
me tell
Rahman
you,
Khan,
Ram Madhav,
Mr. Rahman Khan was on
we are not in the
record. This is my
habit of
question to
calling
you.
names.
My question to him, he should
Not-
listen to my
we are
question.
not in
You're 1 second. I'm allowing.
question.
Smriti Irani wanted to come in, but I'm getting the first
My
counter
question
coming in.
to you is-
Interestingly, I find tonight. I find.
Rahman Khan,
I
Mr.
find.
Rahman Khan,
I
you are
find.
minister.
You
You are
call the
minority
Prime Minister
minister.
of the country Dehati Aurat. You may call
He
Mr.
did.
Rahman.
I think you're
Khan
digressing
words.
now, Mr.
Right, you called him. You
But
called him a
for
fringe
God's
element.
sake,
Yeah.
decency and decorum is
No,
also
you
part
can't.
of India's ethos.
You cannot call Vishwa Hindu Parishad a fringe element, RSS a fringe element. Then
Oh,
wait for the same
absolutely
thing for
it
you.
is.
Then your
And
ministry
I
is a
quote
fringe element.
none less than
Don't-
Sardar
don't-
Patel. I quote none less than Sardar Patel.
Let
and
me ask you a
permit me
simple
to say
question.
that.
Let me ask you a simple
And he
question.
said that, and this is Sardar Patel after
yeah,
Mahatma Gandhi's murder.
He wanted
And
to
two
ask you a
lines,
question.
Kindly permit me.
He wanted to ask you a
Sardar
question.
Patel
No,
writing
he
to Shama
answered.
Prasad Mukherjee, as a result of activities of these two bodies, the RSS and Hindu Mahasabha, particularly the former, an atmosphere was created in the country in which such a ghastly tragedy became possible.
No, this is your agenda. This is your agenda.
the
to divert
question,
attention. My
please.
simple
Not
question.
my agenda.
My simple question about
These
your
are the words
communalism.
of
The
first
question. I'm allowing a
You have to
question.
answer this
Mr.
question.
Surjewala,
And Rashtriya
Mr. Surjewala, let him come in. I'm getting a question in.
One
Just you'll have the
fact check.
second question.
One
First question.
fact check.
No, 1 second. She comes in with a fact check. I
And
make an
three
observation.
interjections,
The AIMIM has no questions to the Congress party on this subject. Just an observation here today.
Thank you
Smriti
for
Irani on the
promoting.
fact
Okay.
check.
I have
Fact
a
check is
question.
this: Mr. Randeep Surjewala is trying to attack the RSS by saying we call the Prime Minister Dehati Aurat. Sir, you've mistaken. I think it was the Pakistani Prime Minister who did so.
Right. Point is made.
Now,
that is okay.
in terms of my
Madam, you are also mistaken.
allow
Mr.
me-
Modi quoted
allow
a
me to
Pakistani
interject.
journalist
Allow
who
me
has
to
been
interject.
propagating against Kashmir
Sir,
and Indian
I
Union
don't want to
and who
speak about
later
the
denied
journalist in
comment.
question who had to give an explanation as to why she withstood an insult to the Prime Minister of India on foreign soil.
We are not
Can I
discussing
just
individual
finish?
journalists.
Yes, we are not. So may I please
And,
finish
sir.
my interjection?
Yeah. You
Thank
came in
you.
with a fact check. I didn't know that you had a question.
No, I
allow
spoke about three
no. You
interjections
interrupted the RSS. Why should the BJP interrupt the RSS when they are in full flow?
Well, this is a
the
democracy.
counter question.
This
The
is a
counter question.
democracy.
Counter question to the
My simple
RSS.
question is,
Yeah.
your minorities minister on record asked for political reservations to Muslims, Muslim constituencies in India. This was a demand put forth by Muhammad Ali Jinnah before the independence, which was repeated by Mr. Rahman Khan few months back. Your government was silent. Your government is practicing communal divide in this country by trying to create Muslim constituencies, separate constituencies in this country.
What's the question, sir?
That's the question. I mean, you have to respond.
Okay, let me answer that, sir.
Yes, you
Respectfully, Ram Madhavji, I want to point out to you, that is the difficulty of RSS. Every person in this country has a right to say something. The right of freedom of speech as yet has not been taken away. We completely disagree with Mr. Rahman Khan or anybody who wants to put constituencies based on religion. But that does not mean he doesn't have a right to say. He has a right to say, and that has been categorically rejected.
I don't think so.
Okay.
On several
you
occasions.
now.
No, 1 sec. I come in with a factual check. On several occasions, your Home Minister, who I'm sure continues to be your Home Minister, despite several controversies credited to him, continues to support Mr. Rahman Khan, including when the Home Minister responded to a letter written by Mr. Rahman Khan on February 6th, in which he had expressed concern over quote-unquote wrong arrests of Muslim youth in different parts of the country. And the Home Minister said at that point of time, we strongly support the proposal of special courts so that expeditious trial is possible. In May this year, your Home Minister sought from all states details of Muslim youth involved in terror cases lodged in jails. Therefore, you cannot cannot dissociate yourself from what your minority affairs minister is saying. Mr. Surjewala, your minority affairs minister and your home minister work in tandem. A counter question is coming your way. I don't want to get into the debate just yet, but I assure you, in 5 minutes, I will be into this debate. I gave you an example to prove that this is an attempt to create insecurity by playing the perception that Muslims are targeted, which is the charge against your government. I just made
wrong.
that.
Let me just clarify what you're saying. The same home minister also clarified when he was asked that yes, he got a complaint some specific Muslim youth, for which he wrote a letter, but he also said, which you forgot to quote, that any person who is being wrongly persecuted is free to write to me and we will get it inquired.
No, he said, and you are again factually incorrect, Mr. You're again factually.
It was sent to all the chief ministers.
You're again factually incorrect.
What is wrong with that?
It was sent to even BJP
Sir,
government, knowing well that it will go.
May I respectfully ask you, what is wrong with that?
No.
If a particular state government is persecuting people of a particular religion, does the home minister of the country not have a right to ask why are people being persecuted on account of color of their
as we run
skin?
up to the
Gentlemen,
in this national election debate, I just want to make one point. The broad issue is people are going to watch you and decide which way they want to vote. There is a view that if a home minister writes a letter to all chief ministers saying that people should not be wrongfully detained, there should not be raw persecution, there should not be wrongful arrest, he should say there should not be wrongful arrests of any youth. He should not say there should be not wrongful arrests of only Muslim youth.
That's all. No, I'm not.
I want to rebut your
and that's why he wrote.
What you have said. I want to rebut
he
it
will
by
write for everybody else.
By empirical evidence. Let me quote you National Crime Records Bureau. You agree with the NCRB, Arnab?
I agree with no government figure in finality.
No, you have to agree. No. Don't make yourself as an anarchist. You don't want to become an anarchist.
No, the question the question is not about.
I am quoting you National Crime Records Bureau, which says that 29% of Muslims are under trials. And yes, I agree with what has been said over here. Why not have a speedy trial for all the even Hindu elements who are there for terrorists? Why not? Of course we want that.
For all.
Of course we want them.
But
we want them. No. We want it. Let the record set straight. We want even that trial to be expedited. If they are guilty, they should be punished. If they are free, they should be free to go.
I think the question was not about the National Crime Records Bureau. The question was, did the Home Minister write a letter?
No, the Home Minister wrote the letter on the basis of
No. The Home Minister wrote a letter saying there is a feeling that he said in the letter that there is a feeling that the Muslims are being targeted. So then there is an assumption that the law enforcement mechanism in this country works against a certain community. Counter second question is coming in from Smriti Irani.
Well, it's
she had a question.
That he quotes Mr. Surjewala quotes Sardar Patel. If you read the memoirs of Jawaharlal Nehru, you'll find a letter addressed to Govind Ballabh Pant, where he speaks about the Congress party specifically in Uttar Pradesh and says that it's the most communal organization that he has the misfortune of interacting with. I will give those papers and the memoir myself to Mr. Surjewala to reflect upon. But in terms of my interjection,
fact check.
In terms of my interjection,
fact check.
In terms of
on
my
a fact check,
I think Smriti ji, you need to read the biography of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru all over again. It should be I'll send a copy across to you.
I shall give you the copy of the text that I speak about.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru,
give it to the youngsters sitting here so they can understand what your leadership thought about your own organization.
Accused of communalism.
May I?
One of the most inclusive individual personalities pre and post independence has been Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. To accuse him of communalism is really twisting fact to the extreme.
He accuses the Congress party of communalism. May I finish?
I think Smriti Irani should complete. I think she should complete her point.
I have two questions that I want to ask. He rejected the stand of Rahman Khan when the question was posed by you. We had no one else but the Prime Minister of our country, Dr. Manmohan Singh, say that a particular community has the first right to resources of this country. Do you, sir, reject what Dr. Manmohan Singh said?
It's a fact check again, ma'am.
Second question is this.
Fact check first.
Sir, allow me to finish.
Let her complete. I won't allow to.
Second question, which is still got unanswered, which I asked in the opening remarks with Mr. Surjewala, was this. Is your definition of secularism, sir, that you in a Congress government in Rajasthan enter a masjid and kill Muslims and your chief minister gets away with it?
I think it was pointed out right in the beginning of this program that minority protection and minority programs are part of the constitutional mechanism in this country.
You're not answering the question.
When Prime Minister of the country,
You're not answering the Rajasthan
when Prime
question.
Minister of the country brings out a 15-point program
So I
for
request you to
minority
answer
Then
my
let me
question.
speak about the 15-point program
No,
for
no, I request
minorities.
you. No, don't
country,
digress.
I'm just
No, no, I'll
answering
answer
you.
on that
When Prime
15-point
Minister of the
program as well,
country
sir.
brings about a program and introduces a comprehensive scheme and allocates a certain budget
Are we
for
talking about
protection and promotion of minority welfare.
I'm afraid,
does the
Mr.
Bharatiya
Surjewala,
Janata
Not
Party
answering
have
my
an
two
I'm afraid,
questions.
Mr. Surjewala,
But
that
Mr.
was not
Surjewala,
the
have you
Bharatiya
seen the
Janata Party
rating?
have an objection
Have you
to it?
seen
No.
the rating of the states on the issue of 15-point program of the Prime Minister for minorities? Gujarat is
Have
actually
you-
rated
have
good.
you-
And
have
of
you
the
also
18
seen-
states which have been voted bad
also
by the
seen-
Prime Minister's office, sir, most of them are Congress ruled.
Well, there are other BJP ruled states apart from Gujarat. Ms. Smriti Irani, you mentioned Gujarat twice. I'm afraid the other BJP government chief ministers might feel a little left out.
No, they won't.
To the audience at this stage, a second call of hands. The subject is this.
My question
We
was
remember
still
the subject.
unanswered, though.
Smriti Irani says a question goes unanswered. I have 4 questions to all the 4 panelists, and that's coming up on the other side. But before that, we'll take some questions from the audience. Should we do that? And the question, therefore, is, the subject was this: communalism before the elections and the secular card after the elections is the reality of Indian politics. How many of you now, at this stage of the debate, agree with that statement? How many of you agreed with that statement? Can we have a call of hands? Those who agree with the comment that communalism before the election and secularism after is the reality of Indian politics. Well, I think very few people seem to agree with this subject, which means people genuinely believe that Indian politics is changing. Maybe you should also revisit your positions.
You speak about the right to preach and practice your own religion. I support that. I believe in that. Don't condemn me for my religion.
I am not condemning you. I am asking you, are you still
Don't
going to
condemn me
build the
for my
Ram temple
views
or
and
not?
my religion.
I am asking a specific question.
I have
Madam,
been
you are a
very
proud
specific.
Hindu. You should be
I-
proud Hindu. I am
I-
a proud Muslim.
No, he's
I am not
asking you a-
questioning
no,
Sir, I carry the
your
name.
religion.
I carry
I
the
am not
surname
questioning your
Irani.
religion.
Mr. Irani,
I am
you are not in a
asking you,
position-
are you for
Mr.
Ram
Irani,
temple or not?
Mr. Irani, I'm allowing the question.
Are you
My
for Ram
question
temple
to
or
you is
not?
only
No,
this.
she's asking you a question.
Are you
Answer the
for
question.
Ram temple or not?